What's going on, YouTube? Isaac's Trade here with a little late night, early morning, mid afternoon, wherever you're tuning in from. I just want to thank you and take a moment to consider smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel. Well, we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Let's look at the chart. And oh my lord, it looks like she broke above the 150-day moving average. Let me switch my camera over. Yeah. There we go. So let's look on this one. It looks like we are about to get above the 150-day moving average, which is what we need to see. But hopefully it's not a fail. Now, what we need to see is we need to see a nice ascending full candle, not like this one over here with this big wick on it. No, we need to see a nice full healthy stick, or at least a few of them. That way, you know, we have a nice healthy momentum coming forward, right? I mean, this is sloppy right now. Like, we really don't have no direction. We don't have no, like, everybody's just like freaking out right now. It's just like everybody needs to calm down. Now, like, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor at all. This should be considered entertainment use only. You should always consult the professional before you buy or sell any asset. Or hell, don't be lazy. Look at some charts, read some articles, listen to some random guy on YouTube. But I mean, we've been seeing these price predictions for, you know, the middle of the year for 2021. I've been reading them for quite a while. That people are saying we were gonna be at about $1 to $1.50, all the way up to $2. Like it's possible. I mean, these coins can run up like nobody's ever seen before. Like, it's wild how fast they can go, and they can do it quick. But they can also retract and retrace very, very quickly. Like, usually they come back a lot more than they went up. So just remember that. So it's like, I don't want anybody out there investing more than they can lose. Always remember that. Invest what you're willing to lose. It's like going to the casino. I mean, you know, that's what you're going to use. But it's not the casino, okay? So it's kind of, yeah, I know. It's kind of double standard a little bit. But, you know, it's one of those things. But let me get a little closer. 15. Yeah, I mean, this next candle, if this next candle can get nice and, I need to see these ones stack up. Like, once we get them to stack up, I mean, we're getting there. Oh, yeah. I was close. Look, I was a little off. I was like, it's going to hit right here around 2,200 hours. But no, it wanted to do it at 21. I was off by a whole hour. But we'll see. I'm still interested to see what happens at the 2,200 hour mark. We might just get that momentum we need, ladies and gentlemen, to push us to the dollar mark. Like, you know, I'm serious. Like, what I've been reading, and I don't know if you caught my last video, which you should really go back and go look at it, where it was giving you price predictions. Where, I mean, these are analysts who knows what they're talking about, and they're saying the middle of 2021 we were gonna see this at almost, what was it, $1.95, I think. And I mean, we're just right around the corner from the middle of the year. I mean, we're already there. Oh, this looks good right here in the 1 minute. I usually don't like using the 1 minute chart, but I mean, look at what we got here. A nice consolidation. We had the run up, and we're consolidating again. Now, what we want to see here is a nice short, strong consolidation, and then a nice run up, and we're able to keep a full candlestick. That's what we need to see, is a full candlestick. We don't want to see these wicks. If we see these full candlesticks and they stack up, boom, 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 you're good to go. You know what I mean? It's like, I mean, that's what we want. Yeah, she's almost there. I go to my 1 hour one. Like, the 1 hour one's just touching it. So I would say maybe it's got to be like the 19th, or maybe even 20. It's definitely happening. It's coming. Around here, we're going to get a massive volume is going to come in, and this is just going to skyrocket us up in there. And I'm ready. I mean, I hope you are too. I have my shares, and I continue to add on once it's at a price I wanted it at. I don't buy at high prices. Remember that. Buy at low prices, we sell at high prices. Don't ever buy at a high price. You don't come in and be like, oh, it's up 300%. I'm going to buy some. No, you want to buy when people are sad and crying like today. Yeah, today's a good day to buy some. You don't sit there and sell. No, who does that? I mean, I know a couple people do that. That's that one dude's name, Dave Portnoy, something like that. Yeah, he bought on 420 and then he sold a couple days later for a loss. He was one of those ones where like, hey, I bought and I sold for a 1 penny loss. What? You stupid mother. But no, this looks good right here. We're gonna where's the 31? Oh yeah, we're getting right there. You see how this next candle's nice and solid, and these other ones, these were wicks. Like they had huge wicks on it, which I mean, anybody knows like the wick means like, oh, we went all the way up, but it was one of those ones where it was like, you know what I mean? It lost the power real quick. It's like getting a balloon with half helium and half air in it. It's gonna, you know, go up a little bit, but not as far as you want. We want one full with helium, so it could gone. It's gonna stay in the air, which is, it looks like it's happening. As long as we can get a couple more of these little candlesticks to stack up like that. See, I don't like the little. I mean, at least the wicks aren't. I mean, nah, I just don't like it. Fortunately, I don't like what I'm seeing, but hell, I've been wrong before, and I like being wrong. You know what I mean? As long as I'm in on the play already, hey, I could be wrong all day long, as long as my price is reasonable. Like, you know, I ever want to be on the wrong play with a price that is just disgustingly on the wrong side. It's like having a upside down mortgage. You don't want to have a home that's, you know, not worth $1 million, but you're paying that much for it. Like, you know, I mean, if you had held on to it for so long, you'd have been okay. See, so that's why we come back to the aspect to how you think about investing long term. Hey, if you'd have bought a house in '08 and held all the way till now, you'd have hit big instead of selling during the pandemic in the beginning of it. You should have waited till now. You know what I mean? So that's what we're doing with the Deutsch over here. It's like we hold and then we let it run up like a big balloon. But she's looking very strong right now. I'm so impressed with this coin. This Dogecoin makes me so happy. Like, I wake up in the morning, like, I don't care if it's a bad day or not, because, you know, I know the price I own this asset at is a nice price. So it's like, I go to bed and I'm like, hey, wake up, man. I know damn well I'm not going to wake up in the morning. It's going to be at no 1 cent, because if that happens, then I break even. So, you know what I mean? Like, yeah. So it's like, you know, I don't see it happening. I mean, I might trim back a little bit and sell a little bit so I can buy some more silver. Hear that? Yeah, I like buying silver. Love it. If anybody's got silver out there, let me know. I hope you guys are following me on my Twitter too, because I just got some. Where'd they go? Yeah. I got these guys right here. These are little 1 gram little bars, but I got some 300 3 sheets with 100 of these on each one, and I have my engraver here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna engrave something on the back of it, like right here on the spot in between. I mean, it might take a little value away from it, but I don't give a shit. It's my silver. But I'm gonna auction them, or not auction them up. This fucking guy right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like raffle them off or something. I haven't figured that part out yet. Maybe you can comment down below and give me some ideas. But I got. There's gonna be 300 of them, so I'll raffle them out and shoot them out to the community, because everybody should have some kind of silver or gold. You know what I mean? That's where you want to be. So, I mean, it's just, I ain't got much. I ain't trying to give you my Doge. I'm sorry. I'll shoot you $5 worth of silver. Or actually, it's like 250. Yeah. 250, but hey, it's going up. Just something to help the community out in a little way. Let everybody know there's more than one way to invest. Oh, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Let's get back into the 15-minute one. Nice. See how these candlesticks the wicks are getting smaller. And this one's a little smaller, and this one's getting smaller. That's what we want to see. That's good. I want to see the next 2 to 3 candlesticks a nice solid one, and then a continuous solid sticks. All right. Now I gotta get out of here. Everybody have a good night, good morning, wherever you're turning in. Just remember to hold the line and buy more Doge, baby. Just make sure you pay your bills first, okay? And then whatever you pay yourself with, you use that to invest. And don't put it all in Doge, okay? Go and buy some other assets out there. I mean, make sure it's not a meme stock, too, either. I mean, they nice. I got a couple of them, but don't put them all in them. Make sure you get a couple of ones that are going to be around for a while. It's just none of them bank ones, though, because those guys are dirty. I'm out, baby. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment down below and subscribe. If not, hey, it's on you.